This is the Provident Fund page from which we can create the slab for the Provident Fund. Okay, we can define the upper limit. So here is the name for the Provident Fund. Then the upper limit means as per the government, the upper limit for the PF is 15,000, but for the some scenario the limit may differ from 15,000 to the limit of their salary. So we can define it here. Now if our slab exempt under any section, then we can select the section over here. Okay. So let's create the PF slab, and the upper limit would be 15,000. Then we can define the PF EPS means pension scheme, then insurance scheme, and then the PF admin over here. So based on that, PF for the employee contribution as actual, this we can define in the salary header, that is our actual only contains basic or contains our allowances also. Then the value for that, so it would be 12%. And for the employer contribution, we can select on the actual and the 12%. So for the PF admin, we can go like on the actual there is no employee contribution, so we can select it 0. And for the employer, we can select it 1% on the actual. Okay, it can be basic, it can be a summation of basic and allowance, or say gross earning. So we can create it here.